Mulema. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omphithetse if you are tuning in for the first time. So as we all know, I don't know if you all know, but let me just tell you for the sake of it, I am a SETSWANA guru. SETSWANA and I are best friends. I'm kidding, okay? So I've always failed SETSWANA in school, so today I'm going to show SETSWANA that I'm actually good at it. In grade 7 I got a D. In grade grade 10 JC I got a C, which I passed. In grade 12, which is BGCSE, I got a D. So I'm trying to show everybody that SETSWANA and I are best friends. So I'm going to be taking an online SETSWANA test, right? That's crazy. Anyway, so I will be recording my screen on my laptop and I'll be showing you guys here everything that I do. Right, it's recording. So I don't know how this is gonna work, and I don't want to waste any more time, so we're gonna get straight to the video. I'm gonna start the quiz and then you guys are going to be watching it somewhere here, and then yeah, I'll also be looking at the screen because the laptop is right here. Right, let's get to it. Where Jehovah. Hello there, what's your first name? Precious. Okay. What is the correct translation for telephone? Bicycle, cook. Why don't I have my glasses on? Mogala wa mosokela tsebe. Yeah? Sukuku umbrella. Bicycle, bicycle. Metsi, water. So the answer is D. Hi. How do you say good morning? Salasan they say no, that's dumela. Good morning is dumela. How do you say good afternoon? Dumela do. Oh. How do you say good evening? How do you say good evening? Salasan dilo probably means keys, right? Dumela. What is the incorrect translation for please? Molema, tshwarelo, dumela. Correct translation, okay, tshwarelo. Ah, no, get it. Embarrassed. How do you say thank you, moja? Salasandle, tshwarelo, ke a leboga. This test. What is the correct translation for thank you very much? How do you say sorry? How do you say hello? This test is so easy. How do you say goodbye? Which picture shows mulema? So this one is out because keep the rain. I'm going for this. What is the correct translation for right? Molema, monja, boraro, terrain. He? Terrain ke train, boraro ke train. Monja, javel right. Suki monja. Monja. How do you say water? Which picture shows mass? Yeah? Plate. Kalas. I guess kill of a mass. This. Which picture shows coffee? Okay, coffee. What is the correct translation for hospital? Ntlu mate, ntlu ya work. Yeah la. Really see aseperini. Bookelo. How do you say taxi? Tekisi, sijana hawalao, ntlu tekisi. What is the correct translation for credit card? And easy, very easy. What is the representation of this picture? Kim, tiba knife, walao bed, brought hojogo basic train, kemasku, kapapata, dilotlole. Which word represents this image? By veil. How do you say car? Eh? Tiba knife. Mokoro, hagomedzi, sijana, terena, car. Mokoro hagomedzi, terena ke terena, sijana. Come on, this is the only thing that doesn't make sense. Which word represents this image? Please. What is the correct translation for ship? So funny. How do you say beach? Pass. Tabby fish. Into house. So it makes sense to say this. What is the correct translation for house? Hotel. What is the correct translation for hotel? That's home. This test is so easy. What is the correct translation for bread? What is the correct translation for glass? Glass. What is the correct translation for fish? Sweet corny. Mas strawberry kinha no batom. Mas berry. What is the correct translation for mango? Mango. What is the correct translation for banana? Strawberry. What is the correct translation for onion? What is the correct translation for raspberry? Raspberry, strawberry, cheese, ulamu. I don't know what that is, but yeah, it makes sense. Which picture shows Maboa? Hey! Ooh. What is the correct translation for green? So that's white, pink, pink, green. What is the correct translation for yellow? What is the correct translation for white? Busway. What is the correct translation for pink? Pinky. What? Say, where is the shop? Letsitsi la lewatle le ka kae boemelo jwa terena bo kae ke ka reka kae karata bentlele e fa kae. How do you say where is the beach? Chichi la lewatle le kae. How do you say I need a doctor? Ke batla ngaka. What is the correct translation for head? What is the correct translation for leg? Luto. Lena. Hey, a lot is going on here. What is the correct translation for 4? What is the correct translation for 10? Lesume. How do you say 5 o'clock? Nako ya boroba bobedi mo phatleng. Nako ya botlhano. Botlhano is 5, so botlhano makes sense. How do you say 6 o'clock? 6 is boraba. Borataru is 6. What is the correct translation for pena? What is the question for pencil? What is simple fixture? What is the picture's cook? Umbrella. What is the correct translation for book? Book. What an easy test. Simple fixture. What is the correct translation for toothpaste? Hey, molorame no brush jamurilo. Brush jamurilo deep brush. What is the correct translation for toothbrush? Brush jamurilo. What is the correct translation for clock? So supanako. Not be getting a 55 out of 60 on a SETSWANA quiz. Me. But you nailed it. Tswana vocabulary skills on what. Sign up today. Share your results with your friends. I was too excited to make an outro, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this test was too easy, I know. If you want me to do another one, let me know down below. Let me know down below. And then yeah, bye.